guys, welcome back to another video on the Marcoon 13 YouTube channel. We are right now at Chipotle, about to grab some food before we head off to San Diego GT. It's supposed to be retro supercar night, meaning like old Countachs, old Ferraris, hopefully some old American cars. Gonna be a good time. First, we gotta go grab some burritos and fuel up. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. We made it. Of course, the Prius has to park next to me out of all the parking lot. What are the odds of that? Why is this guy even here? It's pretty badass. Way back here in the parking lot, Fisker EV-ER. I don't know anything about these. Is that what it's called? Do you know anything about them?
No.
I know they're obviously...
They got a solar panel.
They're all electric. Yeah, check that out. That's crazy. Solar panel all on the roof. Oh, Karma. There we go. Fisker Karma. I knew that. That's pretty cool.
They're fucking massive.
Oh, dang. The show up there. There's a lot of shit going on. What's pulling in? Preston just came up with the perfect thumbnail for the video. Real Housewives of La Jolla. Bravo TV, hit me up. I'll shoot it for you guys.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
Let's get scratching.
Damn, they got a new Urus here. This thing is badass looking. Dude, I actually really like the look of it, like for an SUV. I'm not a big crossover SUV guy, but it looks nice.
Oh, look at that. Look at what it's towing.
Oh shit, yeah, look at what it's towing. That's a badass wrap. Oh my God. I gotta get a wrap like this next. What do you think? Custom wrap next?
Definitely. Gotta do something different.
Batman? Damn, this thing's straight like a race car. All caged out inside.
Definitely a track car.
Yeah. 100% track car. McLaren. What? 4 McLarens.
Like a big one like that?
Yeah. Damn, beautiful Countach. Look at those like solid gold wheels. They need to bring that back into style. Damn, right up front. Performante, Aventador. Dude.
Clean that shit.
I know.
That wrap is sick.
Heart Huracan. I know the matte red looks really, really good. Or satin red. I'd still take the Aventador, even though that's faster. Up this way, we got all the Porsches and the Astons over there. That actually is a really nice blue. Probably can't even tell on camera, but like, wow, that is a beautiful ass blue. Let me see if we can get a better angle. Not really. Just take my word for it. That is a gorgeous blue.
55.
That's big, dude. Dude, honestly, they got something for everybody here. That is what I would have. Look at that. Oh man, I like the white too, the 4-door. The 4-door is actually really, really good looking. I would have this over a Panamera all day long. Repeat. That looks really freaking good. I don't know why anybody buys Panameras. This is way more badass.
Very good.
I know, right? We've noticed there's no cops here. Probably because everybody's super wealthy here and I'll donate to the police department, so I think that might be why, but whatever, we'll take it.
According to Nathan, you just walk in.
We can go in the shop. Sweet. Smells like a lot of nice leather in here. Oh, we got another Bentley in the paint room. It's got primer on it. I wonder what color it's gonna be. This is literally like a who's who of multi-millionaires of Southern California and San Diego. It's really inspiring though, I like it. This guy's license plate literally says cock mock. That's hilarious, actually. Well, that was pretty cool. A lot of nice cars, a lot of rich people, a lot of MILFs. I think it was all around a good time. A little bit disappointing. Could have been more. Didn't see any Mercedes or any hypercars or anything like that, but yeah, it's cool regardless. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. Smash that subscribe button. You guys know you want to, and you guys know the drill. I'll see you on the next one.